Welcome back to the Jackal tutorial series. We're having to re-record everything because I fucked up and did not click record the first time. Emery, how do we trade Jackal on Osmosis? Can you walk me through?
Well, first of all, you need some Jackal. Do you have any in your wallet?
Let's see. In tutorial 1, we installed the Kepler wallet, and look at that. I got a little bit of Jackal right now. Let's see. Let me like scroll down. Oh, I got 10.
Excellent. That's more than enough. So why don't we start off with going to hit Get Started on the Osmosis webpage there.
All right. Get started.
Great. Now just approve those transactions. That's just telling Kepler that it's okay to connect with Osmosis.
All right, we are linked in. I can see my wallet is linked to the Osmosis DEX up here in the upper right.
Exactly. Let's go over to Portfolio and see what you have there.
All right, let's take a look at the Osmosis portfolio. Well, what do I got? I got a little tiny bit of Jackal here.
Yeah, you got a little bit. Let's just add a little bit more. Why don't you hit that deposit button next to Jackal there?
All right, deposit.
And then you have about 10 there. Why don't you swap about half of that in there?
Maybe we'll do 5. There we go.
There you go.
We'll go ahead and deposit. So right now, oh, what's this? Confirmed transaction. So this is confirming an IBC transfer from the Jackal blockchain to the Osmosis blockchain.
Exactly. So once you hit approve, that's just the wallet saying it's okay to move all that Jackal over there to the Osmosis chain.
All right.
This only takes just a little bit. There you go.
Ooh, transaction successful, and there it is.
Boom. There you go.
5 Jackal on Osmosis. Rock and roll.
Let's go for a swap here. So let's find that swap button up in that left-hand panel there.
All right. Back to the swap.
Excellent. So that swap feature right there will tell you what you're swapping to and from. So it looks like you're swapping Jackal, and let's select a token down there at the bottom. Let's be a little strategic about this. What might we need in the future to swap for Jackal?
Well, I think in the next tutorial, we're going to teach people how to swap on the Astrovault DEX. So maybe we buy a little bit of Arch, since Arch is the gas token for the Astrovault DEX.
I agree. Let's find Arch in that little drop down there. You can search for it. Boom, there it is. So let's swap maybe, what, you think half your Jackal's fine?
Half my Jackal fine? Like 2.5?
Yeah, sure.
Let's do it. I'm just going to click the little half button because I'm too lazy to type. And then, all right, rock and roll.
I think it's time to hit swap. There we go.
All right, and I'll just go ahead and approve that swap transaction on the old Kepler wallet. Boom, transaction successful.
Well, let's check to actually see like what we have now left in our balances in Portfolio.
And there we go. Now I got only 2.5 Jackal because we swapped the other half over to Arch.
Yeah, exactly. Well, that was pretty easy.
And that's how to swap on the Osmosis DEX.